Hey guys, in previous video I actually showed you exactly how you can actually create your Phantom wallet. So in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can import a wallet address. Maybe you change your device or you actually forget your login details, but you actually have your seed phrase copy in a notepad or in your Google Doc. So it's very simple to actually import that particular wallet. All you have to do is very simple. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this your account. Let's assume that you have existing an account already. So let me assume that you have that. So you have to click on this your account over here, which is the account one. Click on it, then you are going to click on add or connect wallet. Click on add or connect wallet. Then there are different options. So if you want to create a new account, this is the option for you. If you want to connect using add token wallet, maybe you have the add this for your crypto, that one is for that. And if you have your seed phrase, this is where we are going. So you can actually import your account using your seed phrase. You copy to your notepad or any other platform you actually save this your information. So we are going to use this particular method, import seed phrase. Click on import seed phrase. So I'm going to go over to where I actually paste my seed phrase in my Google Doc. So I'm going to check notes over here. Notes. Okay, so this is notes and this is my seed phrase. So I'm going to actually blur this information because it's a very delicate information that I can share. So I'm going to have copied it already. So all I have to do is to come back, then actually use my fingerprint to enable the login. So as you can see, so I'm going to paste my seed phrase over here. So as you can see, this is my seed phrase. Then click on import. Click on import. As you can see, account import, finding the asset. So as you can see, it is being importing my account. So that is why it is very, very important to actually make sure you save your seed phrase in case of maybe you actually change your phone or you lost your login details, so that you can easily import this your wallet address to another device or another phone. So I'm going to click on continue. So as you can see, I have account number 2 successfully. So the advantage is I can be able to actually see if I have any fund or any money inside this particular wallet. I can be able to see it over here without even losing my tokens on this platform. So the next thing I have to show you is to actually have to create your username. So I'm going to click on this create a unique username on this platform. Create a unique username. Then as you can see, it is loading up. So as you can see, create a unique username. So I'm going to click on continue. Then actually maybe let me use daily for sure as my username. So as you can see, it is available. Then continue. Then save. As you can see, I've successfully saved this particular username. So I hope this video actually help you out to know how to use Phantom wallet. I hope you are going to subscribe to my YouTube channels, so that because I'm going to be doing consecutive video about this particular app, how you can actually fund it and how you can actually swap and different things you can actually do with this particular Phantom wallet. So ensure you subscribe just now and I will see you in my next video. Bye.